Hey, what's up guys, it's Jason here. Today, I just woke up and I am so excited, but I cannot scream because there's other people in my house. My dog keeps walking, so sorry for the background noise. But today I have something amazing to show you. I got really rare over yesterday, since my friend had just been given a light pink headdress for no reason. And she doesn't really know her rare, so she traded it for a really under trade, which was a rare to Monday headdress, 3 black longs, and more. I told her not to accept the trade, but she did it anyways while I was offline. But that's okay, because she gave me the a black long and the headdress. So within that time of 24 hours, I have gotten this: a black headdress and a rare spiked short collar. Sorry about the background noise, my dog just went onto my bed. And so this is my favorite item, and it's the rarest I've ever been, because my rares have only went up to a black long until now. And I absolutely love my headdress, and I won't trade it for anything but a light pink headdress. So yeah, I just wanted to know that I just want to tell you guys, you are awesome, and you guys are just the best. Yes, I heard you yawn, dog. Okay, stop it. Okay, I'm petting you. I'm petting you now. You want to say hi? Say hi. Stop it. Don't scratch my laptop. Well, my dog says hi, guys. He keeps licking me for some reason. Good boy. Okay, can I try to make my video now? Oh, it looks like Bruce wants to play Animal Jam. He's moving my character. What? I did not type that.
Hey guys, I'm about to be.
So I just want to tell you guys, you are awesome. And the person who traded me this headdress, or the person who gave me the rare to Monday headdress in the first place, which was my best friend. So make sure you guys all send awesome jamgrams to her. She's awesome for giving me the headdress and the black long, so I could trade up and up until I got a black headdress. Well, yeah, goodbye, my peeps. Go send love to FUZZPOP399. She's the best. Goodbye.